Tesco Clubcard Plus has the ability to save you at least £400 per year. Friday the 8th of November, Tesco launched an extension of their Clubcard scheme called Tesco Clubcard Plus. It's a similar scheme to Amazon Prime in that it is a monthly service that you subscribe to and can give you additional benefits. One of those benefits is that you can save 10% of 2 big shops per month. Each big shop is capped at £200. That means if you spend £200, you'll get 10% off, saving you £20. Do this twice in a month and that's £40 saved. Over the course of a year, taking away subscription fees, that's around £400 saved per year. Smash the thumbs up button for finding new and unique ways of saving money in the business. Included in the big shop is all food, drinks, household, pet, baby, health and beauty. Pretty much most of the things resellers buy from Tesco. Other benefits include double data from Tesco Mobile and 10% of these Tesco brands for the lifetime of your subscription. To make the most out of your Tesco subscription, I would stick to the branded goods that Tesco sell that have a proven track record of sales, such as Dove, Vaseline, Cadbury's, Tetley's and so forth. Using a service like online arbitrage deals will enable you to find profitable deals on Tesco quickly and easily. Deals are delivered to you every day, Monday to Friday. With the handy search function in online arbitrage deals, you can filter by store. In this case, when you select Tesco, you will see a plethora of profitable deals. I will leave a link in the description box so you can find out more about online arbitrage deals along with some coupon codes. To use Clubcard Plus and all its benefits, sign up on the website. To save time in store, make a note of the items you intend to purchase prior to visiting and then scan your Clubcard app at the till.